Hey guys, this is Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what I'm showing you here are 10 different emblems. I'm going to go through each one of these and tell you a little bit about them. So what I want to show you here first is the Hellcat badges. We have 3 different Hellcat badges here, and what I want to show you, the differences of these is some of these are for the older model and the newer models. So this is the black Hellcat badge that we have with the silver surround. I think it's pretty cool, makes that pop. And right here we have your regular Hellcat badge. As you can see through the eye and there's nothing there. It's just, you know. Versus this one, this is your Redeye Hellcat badge. This has a red jewel. I think that's a pretty cool part about this badge. I just love like rubies and crystals and stuff like that. So that's the nice part of that one. Here we have your Hemi badge. This is a gray with the black surround. This one would go on a 5.7 Hemi. Here we have your Superbee nameplate emblem. This goes on a Dodge Charger, but it can go on anything. Here we have your stage 1 Superbee nameplate badges also. These are cute little tiny badges. I mean, I would probably drill a hole and make them into earrings. I think that's pretty cool. And here we have your RT Scat Pack 392 Superbee badges. So just to let you guys know, all these badges here go on the front fender, right hand and left hand side of your, Charger or Challenger. Here we got the 392 Hemi nameplates. Just so you know, all these little numbers, and this one's all together, but these numbers are all separate. So when you put it on, don't put each number by itself. Put it all, stick it on your fender and just peel it off at the same time. 2 of them here. Here we got your Mopar Performance badge. This can go on any vehicle, Mopar or not. You want some Mopar power, just add it onto a little Prius and you'll gain probably like 10 horsepower. Here we have the badge that I actually like the most, just because of the color, the silver, the black, and the yellow, the way it pops. That's what I like about Dodge. They add a lot of red, black, and yellow. Makes everything pop. But yeah, this yellow nameplate badge is actually pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know, if you are asking what these fit, you want specific answers, these will honestly go on anything. These emblems are for flat surfaces only. If you are to put it on a flat surface, just make sure the surface is clean. But if you want to know exactly which one you need for your vehicle or you want to buy, just contact us. All of these badges are on the front fender, right hand and left hand side, but they don't have to go there. You can put them anywhere you'd like. Like I said, they're all sticky in the back, so if you wanted to, take that off and then just stick it there. Stick it in your office, your house, your garage, your window, anywhere you want. You can even stick it on non-Mopar vehicles. I see that a lot on the roads. I think it's pretty cool because you know what? They're supporting our brand, and maybe someone's like, hey, what's with the 392 emblem on that truck? That looks pretty cool. Or on that little, let's say, Prius. Or maybe that Prius is 392 Hemi swapped. You never know. But yeah, just make sure to give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts. All these nameplate emblems will be listed below with the part numbers, and I will try to make it specific on what vehicles they go on. But like I said, contact us and we'll help you make the decision on which one to buy. Thank you.